in here, yeah, I'm back at the very first Chiffchaffs I found now, and that has to be over 4 weeks. I was hoping to get this with big young now, well, today, but I'm not too sure whether it's been got at or it looks pretty intact, or I'm getting here too late. It could well have had them in and out. It has to be for good 4 weeks. But like I say, it was freshly lined, there was no eggs. Was ready to go at that time. I could have got out of there because it's not destroyed. Can't tell. Remember, next to that very first Chiffchaff over 4 weeks ago, I had that wren at the that was building furiously in here. It's still well intact. It's just all moss on the inside. No feathering has gone into that, but yeah, not used. Yeah, it's over 4 weeks. The Chiffchaff and this wren. Yeah. Just to check back in on the second long-tailed tit. That has got lots of young in. Good few days old, I would say, but yeah, going strong that. It is quite exposed in the gorse, but yeah, the chicks are in there. We have got chicks. It's hard to see actually, this one. If you're getting much of that in there, probably not, but yeah, it's that's a new Chiffchaff nest, a whole bunch of eggs in there. Yeah, Chiffchaff number 7. Yeah, you might not be able to get it. It's just in like a little tuft. Just in a little tuft of grass there. But all the dome is dry grass. Just a little bit of bramble there, but yeah, that's the location. It's just a little tuft of grass. Nice one. New linnet. That one in there. Yeah. What's that? That's linnet number 5. Is that linnet number 5 I've got? Oh yeah, new linnet. Beauty. It's a little crack of that. Nest is excellent. Bluey white tinge to them eggs. And the ruddy brown spots towards the bottom. Beauty. Yeah, finally getting back over to the field. This was long-tailed tit 3 I found. That's that nest in there. It's a little bit higher than the others. See it really wobbling in the breeze there. Full of chicks. Yeah. So that one's doing well also. Beauty. So from the 4, 3 have all got chicks now. Got to the chick stage. That one that had been attacked from the side, I lost. But this one, which is the furthest away, I've got a chance to come across and check it in now. Just found the limit actually, so good. Nice to see it doing well. This is low down in the gorse. This is the blackbird's nest. It doesn't have anything in. It is this year's. it could well have had chicks out of that actually. Loads of crap in and around the nest. Yeah, that might have had chicks out of there. I hope you can just see in there, sun shining right in, but yeah, that's the common white throat, and that's the third nest. Nice to see it. Nice one, lovely little build. That's it in there, see them eggs. Just in the brambles and nettles. You see there. Well, I lost a bullfinch the other day. I've got a new one back. Oh, 5 eggs. Oh, that's a cracker. Yeah, the bullfinch want to get back in, if you listen. Yeah. Yeah, we'll get out here. It's a bit windy actually. But yes, that's 3 active now. 3 active. I lost one. And 2 building nests. But yeah. Hope you get the markings on the eggs there. Oh, it's a beauty that. Yeah, let's get the bullfinch back in. Yeah, just looking in here, this is Chiffchaff number 6. It has got eggs in there, I think. I think there's actually 4 or 5 in there, but I don't know how much you get in there, but try it in the bramble. Yeah, I'll let the Chiffchaff get back in. It's in there. It's a nice one, that. But it's just difficult to film it. Bramble angle. It's a funny angle, actually. Trying to get in much closer than that. Good. Nice song thrush nest up there. Looks like the sunnies. Can't reach it. It's just too high. Nice that. No bird there, but yeah, nice. Up on the tops now. See that mist rolling in there. Cold. A lot of metapipit. No sightings of weedy air or stone chat. Very quiet. Beautiful area around here. In the Edmund Bears, on the top in the moorland, and how many times I come across golf balls in the weirdest places. I don't know. What's that make? Take them all. Shrixon, number 1. Good or bad? get that, but there's a nice little one in there. It's quite exposed, that. It's a little meadow pipit, and it's got young in there. 3 newly hatched, it looks like. Yeah, that's the meadow pipit. And hear the bird coming back in, so we'll get out of here. But yeah, I'm here for the stone chat, really. I know there's 2 areas. I'm here to get the stone chat today. But yeah, nice to see the little meadow pipit. Yeah, he's back in there. Wants to get back in, right out. Quite exposed. Yeah, and here is a second meadow pipit. I think this one's sitting 5 eggs. Can't see that in there, but yeah, 5 eggs. It's a lovely little nest just in this little moss bank. Yeah, beauty. A little moss bank here.